there you go.
Yeah, say that. Yeah.
Pistachio nut. Like he want me to crack the fucking shell. The shell on the fucking floor. Absurd, nigga.
Get it off, yeah.
I got it.
This dog will make you some millions real quick. You do that right now, right?
Pick down murder's dog, nigga. L-Town in the wall. So you know it's only one.
You on the speaker anyway. That's all that shit gonna come up.
Fuck it.
L-Town.
I can't believe you chewing around that shell of crack.
Yo, I think he cracked it. He got it. Now he goes.
And why he doing like that?
You see it flipping?
His jaw's so powerful. If he cracks some cuts down too hard, it'll shatter the nut.
Right.
Right along with it.
You getting all this?
Yeah, I got it. I'm getting it.
That motherfucking dog something else.
Yo. I think he got it.
No, he got it. He spit it out. Yeah, he got it.
Yeah, he got it.
No, keep going. Keep going. You done?
Yo, he ate it.
Now go over there and film the shell so you see the fucking shell.
Oh.
Over there.
Watch out. Watch out. Move. Just stood there. Hey.